apartment right on Com Ave. All right, there's a closet right there. As soon as you walk in, that's the entrance to the apartment. So here we are in the foyer. All right, there's a closet right there. Kitchen, living room, and one of the bedrooms. Let's start with the bedroom. We head inside. Nicely done hardwood floors throughout. We got fresh, clean paint, coat of paint on the walls. So we're facing the front of the building, getting a good amount of light. All right, I have a closet right here. Back into the foyer. And hooking into the living room where we got some really great bay windows. All right. And even on an overcast day like today, still plenty of sunlight. All right, there, right down the corner, that's the B line. She's super close to the T. Back into the foyer and hooking into the living or kitchen, where we have some brand new appliances, brand new fridge. I believe this is pretty new. The gas stove. All right, some counter space. They're still in the little final cleaning touches. Cabinets up top. Below, a window of the courtyard in the rear of the building. Fire escape. All right, lots of shelves up top. All right. That closet, and the other coat closet, which we already saw actually. And into the living room. We have some decent finishes actually. Some pretty up-to-date finishes. All right, window, shower, tub, toilet. You got your sink, cabinets, and vanity. All right. Into the corridor and to the other bedroom, which we have here. So not as much light as the other units that are facing the front of the building, but still good window sizes right there, radiator. All right, so hope you enjoyed our video walkthrough. Don't forget, there is laundry on site all the way down on the ground level. There is parking, but that is something we would need to talk about. And there's heat and hot water included. All right. If you have any more questions, just reach out to Angel at Leopold McMaster's Realty, and I'd be more than happy to help out. All right. Have a good one. Hope you enjoyed the video walkthrough.